Welcome back to That Simple Guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a button like this on your Canva website. If this video is useful, please consider subscribing because my goal is to eventually reach 100,000 subscribers on this channel for the silver play button. Let's get right into it. So from the projects page, we want to go to the website that we want to add the button to. So in my case, it's this one right here, and we want to edit the design. Okay, so let's say we want to add the button right here. So what we want to do is head over to Elements, and then we basically just want to find a shape that we want to use for the button. And then right here, there is a section for buttons specifically. And so we can choose any of these, for example, this one. So let's drag it in here. And then right here, we can add the text to the button. This is completely up to you. I'm just gonna do click me for this example. Let me make this a bit bigger size, like so. And let me also change the color to make it stand out a bit more. So now I'm gonna click on the button to select it, and then click on the three dots to access more options. And then right here, I can click on link. And here I can now specify what should happen when clicking the button. So for example, I can link pages in this document. So that means, for example, if I want to link this page, and let's click on done. When you click on the button, it'll scroll down on the website and jump to the page you selected. Or in order to edit it, I can click on this pencil right here, and let me remove this again, because I can also put any web URL in here. So I could, for instance, add the link to my YouTube channel. So that's what I'm gonna do, and click on done, and there we go, the link has updated. Now what I don't quite like yet is that the text is underlined, so let me just remove that by doing this. And now I gotta make sure not to forget to publish the website again, so let me click up here and let's republish it in order to apply the changes to the live website. So let's take a look at the result. As you can see, now there's a button, and I can now click on the button in order to get to my YouTube channel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.